Jeffersonville, Ohio, location number 352. Located off the side of a farm. Not sure what kind of farm it is, but also has a lake in the back. So as you see, this is the back parking lot offshoot of the fuel lane. As I continue to walk north toward the actual fuel station, you'll see that this is just a long T-shaped offshoot of the main parking lot with the fuel lanes. So you come up this path right here, you make a left or you make a right, and it doesn't provide ample turning space or turning radius for flatbeds. Dry vans, you guys can get in here pretty easily, make a nice little U-turn, but it is kind of tight. So be careful coming in here. What I recommend is make a right or a left and just back up either direction and view the available parking spots. So again, come up this path, make a right, then back all the way up over there to see what you got available, and then go forward, see what's available on that side or vice versa. And then this side of the parking lot is just easy to get into. No need to explain that part. We got a few makeshift parking spots, as you see right here, next to the mechanic shop, but that's because the mechanic shop doesn't seem to be completed yet. A few parking spots that people have made near the scales. You see, they still have enough space to get in and out of their parking spots over there if they park like that. Like I said, the mechanic shop is not yet complete.
I was about to say last night. I'm sorry? I was about to say last night.
Oh, thank you.
Shower one this time. So I guess sometimes keypads are not working, so they have to give you these solid keys. Do that right there. We already do one here. And of course the lights are off. Let there be lights. So, door lock. This is an old one. You see the sink is nicely beat up. The mirror looks to be somewhat clean. Fan is kind of dirty. Just gonna turn it off. What else? I guarantee this floor is dirty. I can just tell. Now I know you guys are thinking, okay, this guy is really particular because it doesn't look dirty in the picture, but I can feel it on my shoes, it's not really clean. But you can see in the corners over there, build up with dirt and dust, whatever it is. Yeah, it's just not clean. I seem to be clean over here already. Nope. Toilet paper. Take a look at this toilet. That's toilet paper. like that. Like to see that? Under the seat? Somewhat clean. That's dirt. Inside the toilet, dirt. Side profile, dirt. Other side, dirt. Did they take the trash out? Yes, they did. Good job. Yeah, this is old. Shower head is old. Let's check the water pressure. Nice and firm. Yep. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. Oh, 1 4 seconds. 4 Hot water is good. This towel is old and shitty. There's a mirror too, or what? That's dirty. 2 soap dispensers, do they work? Yep. Yep. And this is the view from the shower. Vent, broken and dirty. This light, not very bright. I'm not sure if you can tell. Not very bright in here. Doesn't need to be. Just in case you want to know. Yeah, somebody needs to call that number. Not me, because I don't care that much. Okay, let's check out the towel, man. No, surprisingly, these towels feel somewhat fluffy and kind of newish. I can't tell enough of. I don't wash towels enough. But, you know, I could use fabric softener, or they could be, no, that was kind of harsh. We'll use this one. No, they actually both kind of harsh. Fuck it. Doesn't matter. 1 shower hook here. Thank you for having that. Makes my life look easier when I take a shower. And 3 here, and 1 there. Oh, I'm not sure you can see this one on the camera first too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. As you can see, the few lanes have cameras at them and have the RFID chip ready. A little battered, not brand new looking. We do have windshield wiper fluid, paper towel racking all over this lane. Yep. Fuel lane, number 25 has air. Fuel lane 21 has air and water. Fuel lane 19 has air. Just air. We have the tire colors. Alrighty guys, we're going to do a real quick review, a recap of the points that I've scored. Truck stop number 352 for Jeffersonville, Ohio. So parking was horrible. I mean, you saw that back parking lot. Yeah, it teed off into that little T shape where you go left and right, but it was very difficult to maneuver. Just go back and watch the video, you'll see what I mean. Flatbeds, it's going to be very hard to do a U-turn in there, so like I said, I recommend making right, left, and backing up and to view which parking spots are available. Drive-ins, you know, you turn a radius, so you can go in there and do a U-turn. I saw a few trucks do it that night. Few lanes, nothing spectacular. I give them about a 6. They weren't brand new, a little bit battered, you know. Nothing, you know, like where you couldn't be used or you couldn't read what was on the fuel pump. But I give them a 6 because at least each one had windshield wiper fluid and a wiper at each pump. They had paper towels with the ones that I actually checked, and a few of them actually had functional water and air at a few lanes. So a little bit above and beyond average because, well, not above and beyond, but above average because I've been to a few truck stops that don't even have that. Customer service was cool. I like the courtesy of most of the employees there. They greeted you when you walked in. You probably didn't see it on this first one, but the night before I came in, they were very courteous. Um, Bathrooms are okay. Um, they seem somewhat new, or maybe redecorated or whatnot, but they kept them clean. The faucets were somewhat clean, and considering people have been using it throughout the day. And the toilet stalls were clean. I didn't see any paper towels on the floor. A lot of handwriting on the stalls and things like that. So they kept them pretty, pretty tidy. Truck accessories, yeah, I can't really give it anything above and beyond a 5 because it was just the average stuff. Stuff that you find typically at a truck stop. As far as replacement parts, replacement bulbs, mud flaps, tools, you name it, the basic stuff. Um, Inventory replenishment, very few items are out of stock, so I give it a 7. Snacks, had plenty of those, large variety. And showers, as you saw in the video, it was dirty. The floor was, dirty. The faucet was old, should have been replaced. I know these things, they're functional, so they're still working, but, if you want to get a great score, I highly recommend everybody upgrade to those stainless steel faucets, the recessed ones as well. And upgrade your showers, the tile and everything in there. That one looked cool. It was okay, but it wasn't extravagant or nice, like some of the other truck stops. Plus the toilet was dirty. Should have been better clean on the sides and the top. I mean, you guys got to do better with cleaning your toilets, because we're on the road every day and we don't have time to get sick, so it's very important that these showers are clean. Restaurant, yeah, it's fast food, nothing too extravagant. Seating was okay in the restaurant. Food was average, nothing, spectacular. I didn't get any special treatment or anything like that, so it is what it is. Now, mechanic on duty is not really part of my score, but I like to, just notify drivers if they have one. This one didn't have one yet. They had a tire technician. The mechanic shop really wasn't finished yet. As you saw, they were still building it. So overall, I gave it a score of 55. Could have been a lot better, but they have some opportunity for growth, especially with the design of that parking lot and the showers and the restaurant. Maybe if they had like a dual restaurant outside of just that one that they had attached to it. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. Over and out. Catch you on the next one.